The salt example stencil here allows us to very quickly and easily generate a salt water solution in ProMax, and it does this by adding the correct amount of acid and base in a mixture that we would need to create the desired salt. So for an example here, I have what I'm calling a salt water stream. At this point, if I open it, I've actually just specified it as 100% water at this point. And so from here I want to add in my salt. We're going to say that this particular stream, I want it to be 10% sodium chloride. Okay. Now to do this in ProMax, we don't just add in sodium chloride itself, we instead need to add in the acid and base that would ionize in our water and then combine to create our desired salt. And so in order to do this, to know the correct amount of acid and base to mix in, this salt example stencil is going to do that for us. So to use this, I just drag it out here and place it on my flow sheet. When I let go, it's going to ask me which stream I'm interested in, and that's my salt water stream. I can click OK, and now it's going to ask me which salt I would like to add into this stream. Okay, and so we have this list here. Let me browse through that really quickly for you. And then I'm going to come back up to the top. As I mentioned in this example, I'm going to choose my NaCl salt. Okay, so I've got that selected. I can click OK. It's now just going to ask me what weight fraction of salt I'd like. I'm going to say 10% and click OK. And at this point, it's going to generate this box letting me know how much hydrochloric acid and how much sodium hydroxide need to mix for us to get a 10% salt. Okay. And now if I open up my salt water stream, we'll see that it's automatically added in those two components for me. So I didn't need to go into the environment to add those. Once I use that stencil, it's put them in place for me. To verify that this much HCl and NaOH adds up to our 10% sodium chloride salt, I can go to the analysis option and add an ionic info analysis to this stream. When I do that and click solve, we'll see a salt composition section, and you can see right here that adds up to 10% of our Na plus and our Cl minus. Okay, and so now we have added in that 10% salt using this salt example stencil.